Hola, mi amor. I am going to try to explain French toast. It's about 12 or so at night, and usually you have, with French toast, you usually have bacon or tocino. Me gusta tocino. Crispy, I don't know how you say crispy in Espanol. Nice and brown. I'm gonna turn the stove down a little bit. I'm gonna have to turn the fan on, so there's gonna be a little now. While that last piece of tocino is cocinar, I'm going to try to explain French toast. French toast is supposed to be made with Texas toast, which it basically just means the bread is twice as thick as a normal slice of bread, so it's thicker. Okay? Everything's bigger in Texas. I'll explain that a little bit later. Okay. Tocino es listo. Prepara or French toast. Cuatro huevos. I don't know what the word for scrambled is in Espanol. Un poco leche. I'm trying to get away from drinking cow's milk, so I'm using coconut milk. Much better for you. Un poco leche. Okay, listo. Now, normally I would pour the grease out because it's not good for you, but it does have good flavor. Now, since I'm going to make some of these with for my son, you just dip the bread where it's nice and yellow. And I'll use that grease. It gives it good flavor, but that's going to be for mi hijo, para mi hijo. Not healthy, the grease. So before I cook mine, I'm going to pour the last of the grease out. And then I'll cook without. I've got my can for the grease. Got my can for the grease ready. When it is ready, I'll use syrup, and I'll use some powdered sugar that is a little bit different than regular sugar. Let that cook a little bit more. We want it nice and brown. And so it'll be French toast. Let me see. Me gusta platos y papel. I like using paper plates. I don't like washing dishes. Lo siento, but it doesn't take very long to cook it. And I've always loved cooking breakfast. When I was at the Boy Scouts, I used to cook a huge breakfast for everybody in the camp. I'd get up early and cook it. Oh, they loved when I go with them camping. And I'd actually cook French toast on a camp out very often. They loved it, loved it, loved it. But I cook some other things too. Some people have them with strawberries or blueberries. And on camp out, that's a lot of fun. Let them add a little fruit. I've never heard of anybody putting cheese or jam on. Jam probably wouldn't be too strange, but cheese, I haven't heard of that on a. This is a morning food. Mañana de cenar. But actually, some people have, like I'm cooking it at night. I'm going to try to use the rest of the bread. My son's going to come in from work in about an hour, and he loves when I cook some kind of breakfast. Let that cook a little bit more. And then we'll cut it in triangles. Spread a little powdered sugar on it. I like to warm my syrup up a little bit. And when you have some of the eggs left over, which we always do, then we put that in the skillet and just cook it like scrambled eggs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See how pretty that is? Woo! Hot. Caliente. I'll pour that little bit of leftover grease. And sometimes I'll wipe it out with a paper towel, but I want a little bit of that bacon flavor on mine too. Last two toast. Okay. I'm going to spread some powdered sugar, just a little bit, not much. How does that look? I like cooking breakfast. Me gusta cocinar, desayunar. The syrup, which is sweet, is ready to go, and I'll cook the rest of the eggs. Now, can you tell how thick? It kind of cooks down a little bit, but the bread is thicker because it's Texas toast, and everything is bigger in Texas, as they say. So Texas takes a lot of pride, and Texans, people from Texas, a few people say Tejanos, the Indian word, which is supposed to mean friendship. Texans brag, and they want everything to be bigger in Texas. And Texas does have quite a few things that are the biggest in the United States. Now, before Alaska became a state in 1949, Texas was the biggest state in the United States, in the Union. And before Texas joined the United States, they put in their Constitution and made the United States congressmen agree that if at any time Texas felt like that their interests weren't being considered, and that if they needed to, Texas could concede from the United States. Now, it's not very likely. Texas is about the second largest economy in the United States, behind California, but that's changing all the time. California is very liberal, and people are moving. You might have heard of Elon Musk, that makes all the electric cars, the Teslas. He just spent about $5 billion building a new factory and headquarters down in the Austin area. California's taxes are so outrageous that in 3 years he feels that he'll save that $5 billion that he invested just in taxes. I'm going to turn that off. Oh yeah, let me get that's how crazy things are. Factories are moving out of California all the time. Okay, the rest of the eggs. Poquito salt. Pimienta, pepper. Putting a little powdered egg. These are the ones that cooked without the bacon grease. So these are going to be mine. Now normally I'd have these with some regular milk, but I'm trying to stop drinking cow milk. And coconut milk by itself is not that good. It's not bad, but it's not that good either. Now, a lot of people give up cow milk because of allergies and because they might be lactose intolerant. I can drink milk fine, and I don't have allergies, but cow's milk is just not that good for you. It's meant for baby cows, not for humans. Okay, scrambled eggs. I'm going to put that to the side. My son will love eating that. I'm going to add a couple of pieces of tocino, solo dose. I don't want to get too fat on it. And with my fork, I am ready to, let me take a sample here. Muy bien. So now you should understand what Texas toast and French toast here in America. And I've never been to France, and I don't know any French people, and I don't know what they call their French toast. I mean, just toast, but I don't know if that's the same way they prepare it. But here in this country and here in Texas, this is how we make French toast. And we love it, love it, love it. I love you, Audrey. Adios.